National Weather Service in Austin, San Antonio has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northwestern Hayes County, west central Travis County, Blanco County, eastern Gillespie County, south central Burnett County, until 11:15 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 10:11 p.m. Central Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located near Stonewall, or 10 miles east of Fredericksburg, moving east at 35 miles per hour. Hazard, ping-pong ball-size hail and 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, people and animals outdoors will be injured. Expect hail damage to roofs, siding, windows, and vehicles. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Round Mountain, Lago Vista, Johnson City, Stonewall, Spicewood, Blowout, Sandy, Willow City, LBJ State Park, Rocky Creek, High, Cypress Mill, Blumenthal, Henley, Pedernales Falls State Park, Albert, Briarcliff, and LBJ National Historical Park. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Your weather synopsis for South Central Texas.